अरे यार, ये गेम का लेवल तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता जा रहा है। Oh, hi. I was just playing a game in which the monster is growing bigger and bigger at every level I go up. This is not done, man. Oh, but wait. Don't you think so? Our life is also like a game? Well, I think so. As whenever we go one level up in our life, we get to face more challenges. We get to face more and more difficulties and obstacles in our life. Don't you think so? I feel this must have happened with all of you. Agree? Yeah. But at the same time, I also feel there are three kinds of people in the world. One, they are at this level, but they're totally satisfied, they're happy being at this level, and they do not want to jump to the next level. And it's justified, I feel. As success is all about being happy and being satisfied at whatever level you are, whatever position you are. And the second kind of people, they are at this level, but they want to move to the next level. They are this much ambitious that they're not never going to stop. They're always going to continue to work for their growth and their development. They always try to broaden their scope of development. And for those kind of people, obstacles have no value. They do not even think of those obstacles because they know they're going to get the way themselves. And then comes third kind of people. They are at this level, but they are not satisfied, they are not happy at this level. They want to move to this level, the next level, but they are reluctant to do so. They do not have courage to do so. They are not that much daring that they can move to the next level because they have that fear of losing in their minds. They think of the negativities, they think of that risk, they think that what if they lose? They do not think what if they win. They do not think of the success, rather they think of the defeat. And that is the thing which is stopping them from moving to the next level. Now for those kind of people, I want to tell you something. That if you want to move to the next level, you'll have to make it. It is you who is going to make it. No one else is going to do it for you. You yourself will have to do it for yourself if you really want to make it happen. Forget about those risks. Firstly, accept that yes, you are going to face all those problems. You'll have to prepare yourself mentally that if you face problems, if you face difficulties, you will not have to give up. You'll have to continue moving because you want to make it happen to that next level. I hope you're getting my point. You'll have to make sure that nothing stops you and just start striving for that thing which you actually deserve in your life. If you think you do not belong to this level, then why to be here? Just because you are afraid to move? This is not done, man. I feel you're not doing justice to yourself. So keep moving on. Take that first step. Once you take that first step, you will realize you have got closer to that success, to that next level. And trust me, अगर आज ये स्टेप ना लिया तो कल फ्यूचर में जाके यू आर गोइंग टू रिग्रेट दैट यू हैड दैट चांस but you didn't do it because of so-called fear in your mind. You will regret that you could achieve that thing, but you didn't even try for that. So in the end, I just want to say, prepare yourself mentally that yes, whenever you go up, you are going to face challenges. People are going to criticize you. They're going to pull you back. But you are not letting them do so. It is you who is going to make sure that you continue to move on, that you continue to grow. And once you are able to do that, you will find yourself a very happy person. And when you move in the future, and when in the future you look back, you will say, "अरे यार, मैं इससे डर रहा था." It will become nothing for you, man. And then again in future, you'll get prepared for more difficult challenges. Just try it, man, and you will love it.